they're all bald.
Macy, do you want 3 Robux or is it just me? I want 3 Robux. I'm trying so hard to get it.
This game is so fun.
Shut up, Tom. No. Shame on you. I don't like you. So am I. You just be quiet, Tom.
You're really annoying us.
Yeah. Ugly! No, you'll just make the iPad go green. Bye.
Yeah, go buy your own iPad from the Apple Store. It looks fun.
Girls, it's time for bed.
No! Leave me
And
alone.
you, Tom?
No, he's not sleeping in our room.
You can sleep in Jordan's.
That's right, go and get ready for bed.
Come on, I just got some free Robux. I need more.
Come on, it's getting late.
No.
Let's get to Jordan's room.
Yeah, he needs to stay away from us. I mean, look at this t-shirt he gave me.
No.
Ew.
Let's go, because we have to go to bed.
Woo!
I love these pajamas, they're so fluffy.
Mason,
Yeah?
I have these squishies in my collection.
Do you? Will you show them?
Okay, I'll show you in a bit, okay?
Okay.
What's your team? Macy, when you see my squishy collection, I think you're going to be quite shocked.
Okay. We're excited.
Okay. Can you see?
No.
Right, stand back. 3, 2, 1, look!
That is a lot.
I know, and there's plenty of duplicates to give away to somebody like you. Cool, right?
Yeah. I can't believe it, Tiana. There's a lot of squishies.
Yeah, I'm not going to open this one because Tom gave it me. I need to wash my hands.
Me too. That looks fun.
Girls, come on, haven't you had your bath yet?
No.
No?
Come on then, bath time.
Macy, don't forget to wash your armpits because you've had a long day.
I think I'm nice and squishy fresh, Tiana.
Fiona, Lucy, are you in the bath?
Yeah? Oh!
Ice cream.
Oh! Oh! I got one of those.
Oh, this is so soft.
So was that one?
Okay, let's try.
We have some of that because there's a whole big circle after this.
I finally opened one. This is actually really soft.
Yes. Ooh. Hey, I have one of those. So good. Feel that one, Macy.
Feel that one.
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 Yes, that one.
Feel that one.
Feel that one.
Feel that one.
You want one, Crabs? I got me a rat on it. You want one, Server? You want one, Crabs? Crabs! Saving! Crabs! Saving! Crabs! Saving! Me and Macy have hundreds and hundreds of squishies, right? But they're not all just going to be for ourselves.
No.
So, what we're going to do is, A, squish
and put the notification bell on and leave a nice comment down below. And I'll be giving you guys some updates